back to Mishi Unfiltered, and I'm back with another Diljit Dosanjh track. Diljit has dropped a new collaboration with Sia, and it's also featuring David Guetta. So I think it's gonna be pretty amazing because Sia के साथ जो पिछला collab था इनका हास हास वाला, I really enjoyed it, and it's still my favorite to this day. And David Guetta पहले जब भी famous थे, at least for me, I used to listen to him a lot, especially his track Hey Mama and Titanium जैसे tracks I used to listen a lot back in the days, but now I don't listen to him a lot. I feel like I just don't have the time to follow it up. Anyways, I'm super excited कि Diljit has brought in these two amazing artists, and we'll get to see कि what these artists have created in this track, and I'm super excited to listen to it. The track name is Ranja, and it gives you that lover boy wala vibe कि it is gonna be another romantic tracks जो Diljit usually बनाते हैं. Without wasting any time, let's just get into the video and see what they have brought in for us.
वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी है, देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी वे उत्तों मुंदरा पवा लईयां, वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी वे किसे नू नी रोग लभ्या है, किसे नू नी रोग लभ्या वे मैं नब्ज़ां दिखा लईयां, वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी.
I mean, the track is not just like the lover boy vibe, but जिस तरीके से इसने ड्रेस अप भी किया है, it's giving a very soft boy era kind of vibe कि he's wearing this pink scarf and then the white one is going really well, and जिस तरीके से इसके expressions and all, it does look like he's in love. And the lyrics, they have been written very very saying कि मुझे क्या बीमारी हुई है किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा, जबकि मैंने मेरी नस भी चेक करवा लिया. ही गॉट हिमसेल्फ checked by a doctor apparently, and nobody can still understand कि इसको क्या बीमारी हुई है.
मेरी हीर नशे विच गावे नी ये रुसिया यार मनावे, मेरी हीर नशे विच गावे नी ये रुसिया यार मनावे, अल्लड़ी उमरे दिल विच रौला दर्द उठे वे हौला हौला, अल्लड़ी उमरे दिल विच रौला दर्द उठे वे हौला हौला, अल्लड़ी उमरे दिल विच रौला दर्द उठे वे हौला हौला, अल्लड़ी उमरे दिल विच रौला दर्द उठे वे हौला हौला, वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी है, देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी वे उत्तों मुंदरा पवा लईयां.
It instantly like makes you want to start clapping and then just start grooving to the track, and it definitely has that touch वो जो दिलजीत दोसांझ के रोमांटिक ट्रैक्स में होता है कि it's very upbeat, but lyrics obviously बहुत repetitive होते हैं, but you still do enjoy it.
वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी वे किसे नू नी रोग लभ्या है, किसे नू नी रोग लभ्या वे मैं नब्ज़ां दिखा लईयां, वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी है.
You look like the lover I've been seeing in my dreams, kisses on my collarbone, vivid fantasies. You look like the lover I've been hoping I would find, dancing to your heartbeat, spinning round my mind.
अल्लड़ी उमरे दिल विच रौला दर्द उठे वे हौला हौला,
I'm the only one that you want, but you're taking your time. I said hold up, hold up.
ओ अल्लड़ी उमरे दिल विच रौला दर्द उठे वे हौला हौला,
If I'm the only one that you want, boy, prove it to my heart by showing up, showing up.
वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी है.
Sia just brought in that different energy, and जो इन लोग का conversation हो रहा है, it's such a sweet conversation that's happening कि she's saying कि you're the one that I want, but why you taking such a long time and stuff. तो Diljit is just back on his track की इतने कम उम्र में दिल लगाने से दर्द होता है and stuff, and she's just like prove it to me that you love me. So it's a very sweet banter that you would normally see between lovers, and it's just cute.
देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी वे उत्तों मुंदरा पवा लईयां
Acne Studios का shirt, it's nice.
रांझे वर्गी वे उत्तों मुंदरा पवा लईयां वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी वे किसे नू नी रोग लभ्या है किसे नू नी रोग लभ्या वे मैं नब्ज़ां दिखा लईयां वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी हाय
The expression that he gives doing that essay is just funny.
वर्गी हाय वे देख तेरी रांझे वर्गी हाय
So that's all for this track, and I definitely enjoyed it. The music is really groovy, and जिस तरीके से track लिखा गया है, it's really nice. Talking about the music itself, I feel like David Guetta has done an amazing job. He's literally given Sia and Diljit a platform to just like sing, do whatever they want, like literally sing their hearts out, and that's what Diljit and Sia has done. They brought in their own energy in the track. David Guetta hasn't really tried anything new or experimental, but I think ये उसका USP है. This is how all of his tracks sound, and I think keeping it simple has definitely done a great job for the track, and it's worked in the favor of Diljit. And मुझे personally ऐसा लगता है कि सिया का जो part था वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा होना चाहिए था. I don't know why Diljit is making such short track, but I guess it's probably because of the reel and also because of the international audience that he's trying to cater over here, because obviously reels पर ही majority tracks आजकल famous हो रहे हैं, and it goes without saying that since it's a collab with Sia, he's gonna get a lot of international audience. But I feel like Diljit already does have international audience, so it's just gonna be an add-on for him. But yeah, I enjoyed the music video as well. Very nice visuals, the colors and everything. It gives you a very nice romantic vibe, and just तरीके से उसके outfits थे, the flower garden and everything. It's amazing. They've done an amazing job at the music video too, and not just the track. The music video just came out like 4 hours ago, and I haven't even heard the track previously. So yeah, it was an amazing track for me. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the track, and also let me know if you guys want me to cover any more tracks from Diljit Dosanjh. I'd be really excited to cover those tracks as well. But yeah, don't hold me accountable if I do not cover any tracks. It goes without saying कि I will cover the tracks जो मेरे channel के लिए favor करेंगे and जो एकदम ज़्यादा पुराने भी नहीं हैं. So of course, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.